Hello everybody, Joel here. So I'm sitting in the back of my 2005 F-150 and I picked this up a few months ago, and ever since day one I had been hearing a ticking sound that was coming from what seemed to be underneath. And I had been searching and searching. I've crawled underneath there. It sounded like expansion and contraction of the heat shield that's above the muffler down below. And everything was tight down there. I could not find any troubles at all with that. So my mind was always wondering what it could be and thinking maybe it's something internal in the muffler, because everything else was solid down underneath. But I could hear that ticking, and it didn't matter if I was at highway speed or idling, even at a stoplight. I even heard it a couple of times as I was parked outside and not moving at all. So I just really was baffled by what it could be. So the other day I was at the fueling station filling up the truck, and lo and behold I heard a ticking sound, and I couldn't imagine what it could be. If it sounded a little bit different than what I was hearing from inside the cab, but I figured it might be worth a look anyway. So I looked around the truck, looked into the box of the truck. Sure enough, the wind was blowing when we were fueling up the truck. I was with my daughter, and it was causing this to tap every so often on the back. And I heard it inside the cab, and then while I was filling up I heard it hitting also, and I thought, that's it, that's the problem. And when I tapped it against the side of the box, that I'm sure is the sound that I'm hearing up inside the cab, the ticking sound. So this is the strap from the cover. I've never had this cover unrolled, so this has always just been dangling here. And it does slide. This is for the passenger side. So I'm going to go ahead and get this one fastened up where it should be, and hopefully that will take care of the problem. Thanks for watching, everybody. Hit the like and subscribe button, and we will see you all on the next video.